Constant motion, noise, narrow aisles, blind corners. That's the industrial environment. Every day, pedestrians and forklifts maneuver through this environment, covering the same territory and crossing the same paths. When those paths cross, accidents can happen. Accidents that cause damage to the equipment, the facility, but more importantly, to people. That's where Collision Sentry comes in. Collision Sentry works to prevent accidents at blind corner intersections by sending both an audio and visual alert to warn of approaching traffic. When motion is detected on both sides of the corner, creating conditions for an accident, the alarm sounds and the lights flash in ample time to take corrective action and avoid the accident. This is an active warning system, unlike, say, safety mirrors, where you have to be looking directly at them to see what's coming. And make no mistake, the alerts will get your attention. The lights are intense and focused, concentrated toward the area where they can best be seen. Collision Sentry ships with the sound activated, but features the option to regulate the volume or turn off the sound completely by regulating a few internal switches. To prevent the sound from becoming white noise in an already noisy environment, the pitch of the alarm is programmed to be clearly heard within the limits of the corner protection zone. Remember, Collision Sentry sends a warning only when motion is detected on both sides of the corner. Think about it. You can't have an accident at the intersection with only one person or forklift coming up the aisle. An active warning system, Collision Sentry can be installed on the rack quickly and easily. No screws, just powerful magnets. Not mounting on steel, Z-clips do the job. And each Collision Sentry comes with a safety tether, extra security if one is knocked off the upright. And there's no need for expensive electrical wiring. Collision Sentry is powered by ordinary D-cell batteries that, depending on use, can last 2 to 3 years. They're already installed and ready to go with just the pull of a black tab. A few minutes to get used to the environment, and this Sentry is on duty. Portable, compact, and lightweight, this smart, tough warning unit is a vital component of any comprehensive safety program. Always on guard when you need it most. Collision Sentry.